I want to talk to you about something new we started doing, which is using the AlmaTed prior to the hair transplant. This has never been described before. So we use the AlmaTed, which is an ultrasonic energy delivery device. And what it does is it opens channels in the skin, into the dermis. And it also, as we increase the intensity, it can drive various proteins and other nutrients to the follicles. We also can drive dutasteride and finasteride into the skin painlessly. There's no needles. You just hear a little noise. Because it's an ultrasonic energy delivery device, which makes a high-pitched sound, which you can't hear in the room, but when it's applied to your skin, you can hear it. But this device, we've begun using it prior to starting the hair transplant procedure, and so I just want to show you a result. And this result is 3 months and 2 days after we did the surgery, and 3 months and 2 days after the TED procedure. And you can see that he's got really good growth at 3 months. This is only 1,500 grafts too, which shows that we can get reasonable coverage and good results in individuals with only 1,500 grafts. It means we might have to leave the hairline a little higher, but you can get an outstanding result, and it doesn't cost nearly as much as 2,500 grafts or 3,000 grafts. Now, you see he's got really good growth here. The hair's white and the skin is lightly pigmented, so it's not as dramatic as if the hair were black, but it's a good result for 3 months and 2 days. But here's what's really interesting. We continued the TED treatments every month, and this is a shot of his before and after in his crown. And you can see he's got new hair growth. Now, we didn't graft the crown, we just used the AlmaTed. And this is before his third treatment. So he had one treatment in December, one in early February, and then he came back for his third treatment at the 3-month mark. So it also produces hair growth in areas that didn't have hair. And you can see that this is one of our study cases. We're following this hair density using the GrowTrack camera. And this allows us to count hairs and compare the before and after. And certainly when we have the data, we will share it. So we place these little tiny tattoos on the scalp so we can go back to the exact same location and measure the hair growth before and after the TED procedure. So it's really exciting. It's something new that we can add to the hair restoration procedure. It certainly doesn't negatively impact the hair growth, and it does seem to have a positive influence on the graft regrowth. It also, as you can see, demonstrates the ability to grow hair in areas that were lacking hair prior to the AlmaTed procedure. So it's pretty exciting, and it can be coupled with cytokine-rich plasma, or CRP, or PRP, and we also can deliver these growth factors with the AlmaTed painlessly. So stay tuned, we'll have more results. And thus far in all of my AlmaTed cases, the hair mass index has increased. So that's pretty exciting. And even I'm doing dutasteride in my crown, and my hair has become much thicker. I used to be kind of thin in the crown. We really started getting aggressive treating it medically back in August, and thus far I've only done medical therapy, but I've had a pretty marked improvement in my crown over the span of time, and it really picked up when I added the AlmaTed. I've had other cases where I followed patients for over 3 years, and we put them on a topical finasteride, which they responded to only in that they didn't lose more hair. So yes, the topical finasteride can grow more hair, but sometimes it just helps you maintain. But in this patient, we used the AlmaTed, and it was the first time his hair mass in his crown increased. So that's pretty exciting too. We're getting improvements in areas that I've been following for 3 years that didn't get worse, but didn't get better either. So AlmaTed is a new technology that's quite interesting and quite exciting.
Forehair is run by Dr. Cole with 30 years of hair restoration experience, and we offer the most cutting-edge technology available. In fact, the Forehair Enterprise sub-company Cole Instruments manufactures custom-made tools and automated tools for hair restoration physicians all over the world. Our quality, expertise, and skills are superior to other clinics. Our reputation and results are the best in the world. It's time to restore your hair. It's time to choose Forehair.
We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the little bell button to get notifications of Forehair's video uploads. For online consultation, click on the link on the screen or in the video description.